Hello everyone, and welcome back to QLip English.
Hi everyone, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael.
This is day 3 of our Shadowing Speaking Practice series.
Thank you for coming back. You are building a great habit.
Today we will practice English sentences for shopping.
These sentences are very useful at the supermarket or any shop.
Remember how shadowing works. Listen to Michael first.
Then repeat out loud. Then Olivia will say the sentence again.
Please speak out loud every time. That is the key.
Are you ready for day 3?
Let's begin.
Sentence 1. Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Sentence 2. How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
Sentence 3. Is this on sale today?
Is this on sale today?
Sentence 4. I am looking for the bread section.
I am looking for the bread section.
Sentence 5. Do you have this in a different size?
Do you have this in a different size?
Sentence 6. Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Sentence 7. I am looking for something for my kitchen.
I am looking for something for my kitchen.
Sentence 8. Do you have anything cheaper?
Do you have anything cheaper?
Sentence 9. I would like to try this one, please.
I would like to try this one, please.
Sentence 10. Is this a good quality product?
Is this a good quality product?
Good. You are halfway through. Keep going. Sentence 11. I will take this one, please.
I will take this one, please.
Sentence 12. Can I get a bag, please?
Can I get a bag, please?
Sentence 13. Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Sentence 14. I would like to pay in cash, please.
I would like to pay in cash, please.
Sentence 15. How much is the total?
How much is the total?
Sentence 16. I think the price is wrong.
I think the price is wrong.
Sentence 17. I would like to return this item, please.
I would like to return this item, please.
Sentence 18. This product is damaged. Can I exchange it?
This product is damaged. Can I exchange it?
Sentence 19. I have the receipt here.
I have the receipt here.
Sentence 20. Thank you for your help. Have a good day.
Thank you for your help. Have a good day.
Excellent. Those were all 20 sentences for day 3.
Now let's review them quickly.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
How much does this cost?
Is this on sale today?
I am looking for the bread section.
Do you have this in a different size?
Can you help me, please?
I am looking for something for my kitchen.
Do you have anything cheaper?
I would like to try this one, please.
Is this a good quality product?
I will take this one, please.
Can I get a bag, please?
Do you accept credit cards?
I would like to pay in cash, please.
How much is the total?
I think the price is wrong.
I would like to return this item, please.
I would like to return this item, please.
This product is damaged. Can I exchange it?
This product is damaged. Can I exchange it?
I have the receipt here.
I have the receipt here.
Thank you for your help. Have a good day.
Thank you for your help. Have a good day.
Great work today. Please replay this episode at least 2 more times.
Try to use one sentence when you go shopping next time.
Tomorrow is day 4. We will practice sentences for meeting friends.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe to QLip English.
Share this with a friend who is learning English.
We will see you tomorrow for day 4.
Take care, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye.